Apple Intelligence delay. Now, the Apple AI suite, Apple Intelligence, expected with iOS 18, might be delayed until October. Now, some features like Siri AI capabilities may be further delayed. And the Galaxy AI expansion, Samsung Galaxy AI, is rapidly expanding and expected to reach 200 million devices by the end of the year. Now, new features were launched with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6. And the compatibility of the Apple Intelligence requires devices with the A17 Pro chip, limiting compatibility to iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max. Now, Samsung Galaxy AI is available on many older devices, which puts it at an advantage. Now, the AI features with the Galaxy AI includes features like chat assist and suggested replies, enhancing text-based communications. And Samsung is also working on the AI-focused phones with potentially radical designs. So look out. Look out. Something great is happening. Now, some of the AI features on the Galaxy is things such as the live translate, real-time voice and text translations for phone calls, breaking down language barriers, and making life a lot easier when you're dealing with businesses that deal with people overseas and you have to speak a foreign language. All you need an interpreter. Now, interpreter translate and transcribe conversations in two languages offline, making it easier to communicate with others. And Chat Assist improves writing style and messages and provides text translation in 13 languages. Now, Generative Edit will enhance your photos and other content with AI power editing tools. Circle to Search, a convenient way to search your smartphone by making a circle gesture on the screen, which is something amazing and something that you see in luxury cars. But this is something that's brought to the Galaxy phones, and that is just amazing. Now, these features empower productivity, creativity, and communications, making the Galaxy device even more versatile. Now, Samsung Galaxy smartphone and Samsung Galaxy for business, you get more done in the field or office with these devices. So, Apple's put at a disadvantage here. But, hey, you gotta work out the quirks before you get there. Now, let's compare the Galaxy to the Siri. Now, both platforms offer AI features that turn sketches into drawings. Now, Apple Image One and the Samsung Sketch to Image perform this task. It hasn't been tested yet, but the one in the wild looks impressive from the demos that's been seen. It even considers nearby text when generating an AI image. That is just amazing, folks. As you would say, freaking amazing. Now, privacy and personalization versus real-time features. Now, the Apple Intelligence focus on primary and personalized creativity. It emphasizes on device processing, a smarter Siri, and a custom emoji. Now, the Galaxy AI, on the other hand, excels in real-time translations, image editing, and voice recording summarizations. Now, the Galaxy AI launched earlier, but the Apple Intelligence is set to arrive with iOS 18 on the iPad iOS 18 and the Mac OS 15. Sequoia later this year. Now, both giants bring unique strengths to the AI arena. Now, Apple prioritizes privacy and creativity, while Samsung emphasizes real time features. Now, this battle is something else, folks. Now, what are some of the other features in the Apple Intelligence? Let's look into that. You have writing tools integrated into iOS 18, the iPad iOS 18, and the macOS Sequoia. Now, these tools enhance your writing. You can rewrite text, proofread with grammar suggestions, and summarize content for easy understanding or digestion, as you could say. You can rearrange Siri, Apple Intelligence, breathe new life into Siri, making it smarter and more responsive. Email summarizations, you can get concise recap of your emails, saving you time and helping you organize. You also have the custom emojis, creating unique emojis effortlessly, folks. Adding a personal touch to your messages, making your messages more warm and more acceptable to your customers. Now remember, Apple Intelligence prioritizes privacy while delivering powerful AI capabilities. That's another thing that's more important for security and privacy. Now, Apple Intelligence AI is amazing, folks. Now, it helps you write and express yourself and get things done effortlessly, all while providing that privacy and security, folks. Now, how does Apple Intelligence handle user data? Let's look into that, folks. Now, Apple Intelligence has on-device processing. Many models powering Apple Intelligence run entirely on your device. Now, this means your data stays local, enhancing privacy. And then you have writing tools. With system-wide writing tools, you can rewrite, proofread, and summarize text across various apps. Now, those features respect your privacy while improving your writing confidence. And then you have the private cloud computer. Now, Apple sets a new standard for privacy by flexibly scaling computational capacity between on-device processing and dedicated Apple Silicon servers. Now, your data remains secure. In a world where AI often treads on people's privacy, Apple's approach is a refreshing way of doing business, folks, and a great way for users to use and feel confidence about their security. Now let's compare that to Google, folks. Now, Apple and Google. Now, Apple Intelligence integrated into the iOS, the iPad, and the macOS Apple prioritizes privacy and seamless integration. Now, it's designed to be useful for everyday tasks. You have the Google Gemini, which is formerly known as the Google Bard. Now, it's the largest AI model capable of understanding text, code, audio, images, and videos. While privacy is a concern, the Gemini focuses on productivity and information retrieval. On the availability in languages. Now, Apple Intelligence initially available in US English with additional languages planned over the next year. And the Google Gemini is available in over 40 languages, with the ongoing efforts to expand its linguistic capabilities. Now, image generation. Now, both models allow users to generate images. Apple Intelligence offers the Images Playground for creating fun, original images based on descriptions and prompts. Now, the Google Gemini provides images generation capabilities to almost all users. Now, the Apple emphasizes privacy, seamless integration, while Google pushes the boundaries of AI interaction and capabilities. Convergence between the two approaches may happen in the future. So hopefully they will learn from each other and provide a better product to the customers, which is something awesome. This is just amazing. Just straight up amazing. Let's look at some of the features in the Google Gemini. You're talking about things such as with the Google Gemini, there's a multi-model reasoning. And the Gemini seamlessly understands and operates across different types of information, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Its sophisticated reasoning capabilities make it versatile. You have the advanced coding skills. The Gemini can generate high quality code in various programming languages. Whether you need help with complex tasks in math, physics, or coding, Gemini has you covered. Then you have the generative chatbot. As a generative AI chatbot, Gemini responds to prompts, generates stories, provides answers to coding problems. It can even analyze uploaded images for information and offer contextual insight based on your location or data on your Google apps, which is amazing. Now, the Google Gemini is a multifaceted AI model that empowers creativity, productivity, and problem solving across different domains. You're talking about this is just something amazing, folks. Something just straight out amazing. Straight out amazing. This is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.